pressure is how much force is acting on a given area. It is given as P equal to F over A. Now, P stands for pressure in Pascal, F is force in newtons, and A is the area or the cross-sectional area in meters squared. Please note that more force on a smaller area means higher pressure. That is the whole concept. Now, you have to remember all these three arrangements. One, we have pressure equal to the force over the area. We also have the force equal to the pressure times the area. And lastly, we have the area equal to the force over the pressure. So you can use any one of these in calculating pressure depending on the question. Let's look at a question. The question says, a box weighing 600 newtons rests on a floor. The base of the box measures 2 meters by 1.5 meters. Calculates the pressure on the floor. First, we write out our given data or given values. The force is 600 newtons, so our F force is 600 newtons. We're given the base area. So the base of the box is 2 meters by 1.5 meters. Now, with this information of the base, we can find the area. So our step one, we find the area. So our area is the base, which is 2 meters times 1.5. So we have area equal to 2 times 1.5. That gives us 3 meters squared. So now we have our area and we have the force. So we can apply the formula. We can use pressure equal to force over area. Now the force is 600 over the area is 3. So 600 divided by 3 will give us our pressure become 200 Pascal. So that is our answer. It's very important to write the units beside the number. Most times they give you dimensions in centimeters, not meters. So if you're giving the dimension in centimeters, you have to convert to meters before calculating the area. Now, if you miss the conversion, you miss the marks. This is Basic 2 Tech. Follow for more.